Hey, Coach Greg here, and it is day 8 of our 10-day belly fat blasting workout challenge. We're gonna do a quick demo of the exercises, then we're gonna jump into 3 sets. Well, let's have some fun. First, we're gonna start with step jack. It's a normal jumping jack, but instead of the jumping part, we are stepping. Step out to one side, just like this. Have a nice cadence. Make sure you squeeze your core. Then we're gonna go into some sumo squat crunches. Get yourself into a sumo squat position. Try to keep your chest up, hands behind the head, and all we're doing is alternating, reaching one elbow to one side, just like this. Next, we have a standing crunch. So stand up nice and tall, hands behind the head, and all we're doing is trying to crunch forward, really squeeze. You're gonna feel it in your core. Hold it for a second, and come right back up. Just like that. That is your standing crunch. And we're gonna finish off with some wood choppers. We're just gonna do 15 seconds one leg, or one side, 15 seconds the next. We're here, we're bringing it up, bringing it down, really tighten your core. Let that be the thing that drives you in. And then we go to the other side, just like that. And that is your workout. Let's jump into set number 1 right now. Let's get it. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Get a nice rhythm going. We're gonna get our blood flowing. You're doing amazing. Let your core be the main focus. Because even though technically we're moving your legs and your arms, but your core is the thing that's stabilizing everything. So suck your belly button to your spine. And you should be feeling it. 3, 2, and 1. Great job moving along. We have our sumo squat crunch. Get yourself in a sumo squat. Oh, my legs are tired already, but here we go. Sumo squat crunch, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. We're just going from one side to the next. Just like that. Make sure you're breathing. I like to reset at the top. There it is. If this is too difficult for you, feel free to also sit down if you need to, or you can be in less of a sumo squat, more of like a plie, like this, if you will. But do whatever works for you. But the goal is our core. We're trying to burn some belly fat. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, we have our standing crunch. Here we go. Stand up nice and tall. 3, 2, 1. Let's crunch. There it is. I like to open up my body at the top, open up my chest, elbows out, and then bring my elbows in, crunch over, squeeze, squeeze, and right back up. Like, you don't have to get on the ground in order to do these ab exercises. That's the beauty of it. Your body can modify and adjust to whatever environment you put it in. There it is, really squeeze. One more. And up, great job. Now finishing off, let's get our wood choppers. Here we go. I'll tell you when to switch, so pick a side, any side. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Really reach, extend. We want to feel that stretch in our whole side of our body. And just imagine your core is the thing that's bringing you up and down. Let's switch in 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. There it is. And you have an axe in your hand and you're chopping wood. And done. Great job. Set number 1 done. Grab some water, then we're gonna jump to set number 2. Come on, let's finish. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Sumo squat crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Wood choppers, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Great job, second set done. Come on, one more to go. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Sumo squat crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Wood choppers, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. And there you have it. That was day 8 done. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you feel the burn, you got your sweat on. And you'll join us tomorrow for day 9 with Coach Gabby. She has an amazing workout prepared for you guys. So go ahead and check that out tomorrow or whenever you get this video. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you soon. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.